Once upon a time, being literate meant knowing the alphabet. But today, in this fast-paced digital world, if you can't click, swipe or type, you might as well be called illiterate, at least by modern standards. Welcome to Deep Dive into the Digital World. The podcast Converse is now running the series. Based on the excerpts from the award-winning book, Professional Computer Literacy in Kannada, where we guide you through the world of computers in a language you understand. No jargon, no pressure. Whether you are a student starting out, a farmer trying online banking, a teacher updating skills, or just someone who's ready to stop asking for help and start helping others, this is your space. Let's begin this journey into the digital world where even a little knowledge can open 1,000 doors. This is Converse from Clarity.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at something, well, pretty fundamental. How the very definition of literacy is changing.
That's right. We're using a source that tackles the digital divide.
And if you're listening because you want to get up to speed quickly, this is definitely your shortcut. We're exploring why computer skills are becoming non-negotiable.
Exactly. The source makes a compelling argument. It says computer literacy isn't just, an extra skill anymore. It's core, essential, and lacking it. Well, the document suggests it puts people at a real disadvantage in just, daily life.
Okay, so let's unpack that. The document kind of starts with the baseline, right? What literacy used to mean.
Simply reading and writing. The alphabet. If you could do that, you were considered literate. Simple as that.
Just straightforward, yeah.
But here's where it gets interesting. The source draws this parallel to today. It argues that just like not being able to read or write isolated people in the past.
Not having computer skills does the same thing now.
Precisely. It's presented as a new kind of illiteracy, really hindering people's ability to, fully participate.
And the document gives concrete examples, which I think is key, like how it affects everyday stuff. Think about businesses going online or everything shifting to cashless payments.
Right. If you don't have those basic computer skills, navigating that becomes, a huge hurdle.
The source even uses quite a strong term, suggesting people without these skills could become reliant on others, almost dependent for basic things.
That's a stark way to put it, yeah. But it highlights that potential dependency. But flipping that, the source also stresses the empowerment side.
Okay.
Think about managing your bank account, paying bills, getting information, all from home, online.
Independence, basically.
That's the core idea. These skills give you that independence.
Got it. Now, this specific document we're looking at, it had a particular audience in mind, didn't it?
Yes, specifically people already literate in their own language, their mother tongue, but who aren't necessarily computer savvy and maybe don't know much English either. The main aim is teaching essential computer skills.
Right, and there's an interesting point about language use, too.
There is. It's important to be clear. The goal isn't teaching English, but it strategically uses English computer terms, things like internet, email, software,
Why do that?
The rationale is practicality. These terms are becoming sort of universal in the tech world. So by using the actual English terms, the learning is more direct, more immediately useful in like a global digital space. Explanations are in the native language, but the key terms stay English.
Okay, that makes sense. It's about practical application.
Exactly. Computer education is the focus, not language lessons.
So wrapping this up then, the main takeaway from this deep dive pulling from the source, it's this really strong case that computer literacy isn't optional anymore. It's fundamental.
Just like reading and writing were the key skills before, these digital skills are now critical for just navigating life and staying independent.
It really shifts the perspective.
It does. And that leads to a question for you listening in. If we accept this shift, this broadening of what literacy means, what else might become an essential literacy in the future? Beyond traditional literacy, beyond computer literacy, what other skills might become just as vital for getting by?
That's definitely food for thought, a great place to leave it. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, your shortcut to understanding this evolving landscape of essential skills. We hope you'll mull over these ideas.
So, what did we discover today? That being computer literate isn't just for the elite or the English speaking. It's for everyone. Yes, even you. This was just one step in your journey into the digital world. There's so much more to explore, and together we'll make it simple, friendly, and even a little fun. If this episode helped you or sparked a new curiosity, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to Converse and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and remember, it's never too late to crack the digital code.